I didn't hit rock bottom, but I was close enough to feel it. Waking up tired, scrolling for hours, telling myself, I'll start tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes, same cycle. So I did something simple. No crazy routines, no 5 a.m. hustle. I gave myself 7 days to fix my life. Not perfectly, just honestly. And what I found surprised me. Before this, I thought my problem was laziness. It wasn't. It was overwhelm. Too many goals, too many expectations, too many perfect routines saved on my phone. So instead of doing something, I did nothing. If you feel stuck, it's probably not because you're lazy. It's because your mind is tired of trying to be perfect. So I changed the rules. Day 1, I didn't try to fix everything. I picked one tiny habit. Just one. Make my bed. That's it. Sounds small, but something shifted. I made the bed, and for a moment I felt in control. Not of my whole life, just that moment. And that feeling mattered. Day 2, I added one more thing. A 10-minute walk. Not a full workout. Not a big plan. Just walking. Because I wasn't chasing transformation anymore. I was building momentum. And momentum starts small. By day 3, I noticed something. My environment was working against me. Messy desk, phone always in my hand, constant distractions. So I changed one thing. I cleaned my space, just enough, and I moved my phone away when I needed to focus. That alone changed everything. Because you don't need more discipline, you need fewer distractions. Day 4, I took it further. I unfollowed people who made me feel behind. You know the type. Perfect lives, perfect routines. And suddenly, my mind felt quieter. Day 5 was different. I realized I was waiting to feel motivated, and that was the problem. Motivation doesn't come when you need it. So I stopped waiting. I told myself, just start. That day, I worked for 20 minutes on something I'd been avoiding for weeks. It wasn't perfect, but it was done, and that felt better than waiting. Because action creates motivation, not the other way around. Day 6 was uncomfortable. I had to be honest with myself, no excuses. I asked one question. What am I avoiding, and why? For me, it was fear. Fear of failing, fear of not being good enough. And once I admitted that, something changed. Because you can't fix what you keep avoiding. That day, I didn't try to be productive. I just wrote everything down. And it helped more than I expected. Day 7. Everything became clear. Fixing your life isn't about one perfect week. It's about what you can repeat. So I simplified everything. One small win in the morning, one focused task during the day, one reset at night. That's it. No pressure, no perfection, just consistency. Because a simple system you follow is better than a perfect plan you quit. So no, I didn't fix my life in 7 days, but I stopped making it worse. And I built momentum. Here's what actually worked. Start smaller than you think. Fix your environment. Stop waiting for motivation. Be honest with yourself and keep it simple. That's it. No magic, just small actions, done daily. So here's something you can do right now. Pick one small thing, not 10, just one. And start today, even if it feels small, because that's exactly where change begins. Let's improve together.